Good morning to our esteemed Director Ma'am, prestigious Rajas Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, benevolent teachers and your school fellows and devoted parents. Today a commemorative ceremony for 151 birth anniversary of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, is organized by Mantora Public School. I literally feel honored to welcome you all on behalf of the entire school family from the core of my heart. You all are highly welcomed. Gandhi Jayanti is an event celebrated in India to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is celebrated annually on 2nd October and it is one of the three national holidays of India. The UN General Assembly announced on 15th June 2007 that it adopted a resolution which declared that 2nd October will be celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhiji was either born courageous or an outspoken leader, but made it to the list of Time magazine's 100 most influential persons of the 20th century. Gandhiji always believed that the education is the only weapon left in this world for the new generation to achieve better fundamental rights. Now we have active participants of Mantora Public School to pay homage to the father of the nation.
खुशी तब मिलेगी जब जो आप सोचते हो, जो आप कहते हो और जो आप करते हो वो एक है।
आप मानवता पर विश्वास मत खोइए। मानवता तो सागर की तरह है। अगर सागर की कुछ बूंदें गंदी हो तो सागर गंदा नहीं हो जाता।
अपने उद्देश्य में दृढ़ विश्वास रखने वाला एक सूक्ष्म शरीर इतिहास के रुख को बदल सकता है।
An eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. Today, on the occasion of the 151st birth anniversary of the father of the nation, we salute the great soul and take his message to the heart that strength doesn't come from the physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Only then can a life truly make a difference.
बापू ने कहा था, बुरा ना बोलो, बुरा ना सुनो और बुरा ना देखो।
बापू ने कहा था, स्वदेशी अपनाओ, स्वदेशी बनाओ।
The light has gone out of our lives and there is darkness everywhere. And I do not quite know what to tell you and how to say it. Our beloved leader, Bapu as we called him, the father of the nation, is no more.
राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
Welcome to our Honorable Director Ma'am and Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today, I, Laksh Razoria of class 10th B is going to deliver a speech on the father of nation Mahatma Gandhi. As we all are present here to celebrate Bapu's birthday, and on this occasion, I present his biography. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and great patriotic in India. He was a man with great personality. Apart from this, his efforts and struggle for the Indian freedom were unparalleled, or we can say that without him, we are not able to achieve freedom. He inspired many people to take part in the freedom movements and civil rights in all over the world. Mahatma Gandhi opened his eyes on 2nd of October 1869, as he belongs to an Indian Gujarati family, and his father's name was Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putli Bai. However, the real name of Mahatma Gandhi ji was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who has added the name of Mahatma due to his fabulous work for the country. He completed his law training at the Inner Temple in London and then went to South Africa for law practicing, where he spent some part of his life. As a part of the Indian struggle, Gandhiji has launched many important movements for the country, such as the Kheda Satyagraha, the Champaran movement, civil disobedience movement, Salt Satyagraha, or we can say the non-cooperation movement, and Quit India movement as well, for forcing the Britishers to leave the country. And these movements proved as milestones in winning the freedom back from the British rule. He fought for the caste barrier and died on 30 of January 1948. People remember him for his biggest virtue, and he will remain alive in our hearts. Thank you and Jai Hind.
It's pathetic to see you people throwing waste in the open.
Sir, but to keep our houses clean, the waste will be thrown outside only.
Yes, who cares about the outside cleanness? Look, here is a dustbin kept. The waste should be thrown inside it. Keep your surrounding clean as well. It's a part of Clean Indian mission. And I love cleanliness.
You are right, sir. Thank you, sir, for guiding us.
We all know that 2nd October is the birthday of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. But do you know he shares his birthday with another great leader of our country, the man of peace, our second Prime Minister, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji.
Oh!
There are 53 major roads in India and 48 roads outside India named after him.
Wow!
Bapu walked almost 18 kilometers a day throughout his life. This is almost equal to walking around the world twice. Although he traveled all around the world, he never traveled in an aeroplane.
Oh!
During 1921, seeing the poverty in Madurai, where people did not have clothes to wear, he gave up his clothes and started wearing only dhoti and even got his head shaved. The smiling picture of Bapu on the currency of our country is not a drawing but a mirror image of his photo captured in 1946 but was printed on the Indian rupee only after 1996.
Wow!
He was a man of non-violence and peace, yet he never received the Nobel Peace Prize, for which he was nominated 5 times.
Oh!
However, as a mark of respect, the United Nations have also declared his birthday, that is 2nd October, as the International Day of Non-Violence, with effect from 2007.
Wow!
Gandhiji was truly a man of simple living and high thinking, and we must always try and learn to follow his principles of truth and peace. Rightly said by our beloved Bapu, Ahimsa Parmo Dharma. And so, let us all celebrate the spirit of peace and non-violence on his birthday.
With the emotions of nationalism and patriotism, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year as a national festival of India by the Indians with the same enthusiasm. This day is for remembering Gandhiji's teachings and values which he contributed to the society, and to understand the sacrifices he made for the freedom of the country by arranging different struggle movements. Now, I would like to call upon a very special personality, our respected Vice Principal Ma'am, to speak the few words on the Gandhi Jayanti.
गोरों की ताकत बांधी थी, गांधी के रूप में आंधी थी, बड़े दिलवारे फकीर थे वो, पत्थर के अमिट लकीर थे वो, पहनते थे वो धोती गांधी, रखते थे इरादे फौलादी, उच्च विचार और जीवन सादा, उनको प्रिय थे सबसे ज़्यादा। नमस्कार, मैं अन्नपूर्णा द्विवेदी महात्मा गांधी जी को गांधी जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में भावभीनी श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए कुछ भाव समर्पित कर रही हूँ। भारत में हर वर्ष 2 अक्टूबर को गांधी जयंती मनाई जाती है। 2 अक्टूबर मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी जी का जन्मदिन होता है, जिसे गांधी जयंती के रूप में मनाया जाता है। भारत की आज़ादी में महात्मा गांधी ने सबसे महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई थी। भारत की आज़ादी में गांधी के अतुलनीय योगदान के लिए उन्हें भारत के राष्ट्रपिता की उपाधि दी गई। गांधी जी ने अपने लक्ष्यों को पूरा करने के लिए अहिंसा का मार्ग अपनाया। स्वराज को प्राप्त करने के लिए उनकी अथक मेहनत और परिश्रम सराहनीय हैं। केवल इतना ही नहीं, बल्कि गांधी जी ने भारत को एक समावेशी देश बनाने के लिए, अन्य सामाजिक बुराइयों से छुटकारा पाने के लिए भी काम किया। उन्होंने छुआछूत की व्यवस्था को हटाने के लिए अथक प्रयास किया, जो उस समय बहुत प्रचलित था। इसके अलावा उन्होंने महिलाओं को भी सशक्त बनाया और भारतीय किसानों की आर्थिक स्थिति को बढ़ाने के लिए काम किया। यही नहीं, उन्होंने 3 प्रमुख आंदोलनों में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई। वे असहयोग आंदोलन, दांडी मार्च और भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन थे। वे भारत को ब्रिटिश शासन से आज़ादी दिलाने में मदद करने वाले सबसे महत्वपूर्ण आंकड़ों में से एक हैं। धन्यवाद।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सब